Hi everyone, it's Krista and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, hello again. So here we are, guys. It's August 1st and we're already getting into fall. So I love to do everything on a budget: Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift flips, farmhouse and rustic, reads, and seasonal decor. So if you like what you see here, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button. Also leave me comments. I love to hear what you guys think. And also give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook. And I also have an Etsy shop where you will see lots of the things I make in that shop. So I also am on the Whatnot app, and that is an app where you do live auctions. I do my home decor on there, and I also do some beaded items, and I also sell the beads to make your own beaded items. So check that out. But today is all about Hello Fall, and I'm hosting with my friend from Rustic and Lace, Brenda DIY. And there's also going to be a playlist, but more about that in a minute. Let's get into DIY number 1. So the first DIY, I cut this out on my laser cutter, and it's on a 14-inch round, and it says Welcome Home Pumpkin. You can purchase this in my Etsy shop. I'm also going to use some paints, some ribbons, and some florals. The first thing I'm going to do is I kind of sectioned off the middle portion with some tape, and I painted it with a warm white paint. And then the top portion I did with a gel wax walnut color. I kind of went really neutral with these DIYs this time for fall. I like the neutral. I think it's really pretty, and it can stay up for pretty much most of the season. I also did the welcome. This is laser cut, you guys, on my laser machine. Like I said, I sell the kits in my Etsy shop, which is, the link is down below in my description box. And then I did the home and the pumpkin portion in a it's burnt orange color, which I love right now. I glued everything down with super wood glue from Dollar Tree. I also stapled down those florals to the top on each side, and then I went ahead and made a bow, and I glued that to the top as well. And there it is, you guys. Super easy. These kits are to put together. You can make it yourself, or you could buy the one that I already made. So like I said, today is all about Hello Fall, and it's myself and my friend Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. There's also a playlist. Make sure you go check everyone out, you guys. They are awesome. And Brenda's link is also in the description box. Make sure you go check her out as well. DIY number 2. These are Dollar Tree items that I got. These are those wood planks, like I guess you call them. Pallets. Miniature pallets. And then I did them with like a beige color paint. And then that heavy fall laser cut was already made. I got those from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm using some of the wood super glue from the Dollar Tree and some hot glue. And I'm going to glue them together so that both of the main pieces are facing outward. And you're just going to glue those two pieces together like so. And this will stand up. Then I'm going to glue down the Happy Fall. And then all I did was take some floral picks that I had in my stash, and I stuck them in the top. You can use any floral picks you have. This is a super simple DIY on a budget, guys. I love this. It's so cute and so easy. And there it is. So I hope you guys like that one. A simple Dollar Tree DIY. So now we're going to do the next one. Oh, yes. This I cut in here by accident, so I apologize for that. So yes, once again, it's myself and my friend, Rustic and Lace DIY, and the playlist is down below. Sorry about that. So next is DIY number 3. So DIY number 3, I took also another laser cut that I did, and I put on a 14-inch round. I'm going to use some paint, some ribbon, and some more florals again. This one's going to be another neutral one, pretty much neutral. And I painted it with a warm white color first. And then once I got that all down, I went around the edges and I sanded them because I want to get a worn look on this one, a little bit of a rustic look. And then I took some of that gel wax, and this one is oak, and I went around the edges with my baby wipe, and I gave it that rustic worn look on the edges. And then I just wiped it really good with another baby wipe. And you could see it up close how it looks. It looks really pretty. And then I did the burnt orange color for the words, and it's Fall Sweet Fall. And now with my with these, you can either purchase them with the round or without the round when you want to make it yourself in my Etsy shop. Without the round, it is a little bit cheaper, and then you could buy your own rounds. I glued down the words with the super wood glue, and then I took some picks. These I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Stapled them down on the side this time instead of the top. And then I took my bow that I made and I put that down next. And then I'm going to start putting some of these fuzzy, I don't know what you call these, but they're little fuzzy greenery. And I put those in the top portion. I always forget what they're called. And then I put some on the bottom as well. And I just glued each piece in and kind of tucked it underneath the bow. And I did the same thing on the bottom. And then those white picks I also got from Hobby Lobby. I think those I got from, they might not have been from Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. But these white berries, I got these from Hobby Lobby. I really like these. And this one I think is probably my favorite. I love this one. And I just glued them in underneath the bow, really super cute. And if you want to see my bows, I do a lot of them on most of my other videos, so you could check those videos out if you want to see how I make my bows. And then I stuck some of the, there was a little bit of the leaves on that berry bush, so I took it off. I just cut it off, and then I put it underneath all the berries because I thought that would be a nice contrast with the other leaves. And I did one on the top and one on the bottom. And that's it for this one, guys. I just put a hanger on it, and there it is. So make sure you guys go check everyone out. Their links are down in the description box. My Whatnot app link is also down there. You could follow me on there. There's a follow button. And you can also check out the lives. And then also go check out my Etsy shop, guys. I have the kits in there for these. And I also have the finished product for sale. So yeah, go check everyone out, and I'll see you guys again soon. And as always, remember, stay crafty. Bye.